the Apple Vision Pro will allow you to experience all your favorite apps in a way that you never thought possible. You can place apps wherever you want and adjust their size to create the perfect workspace, bringing your dream setup to life. And the best part? You can do all of this while staying connected to the world around you. Whether you're browsing the web in Safari, jotting down tasks in Notes, or having a chat in Messages, you can effortlessly switch between them with just a quick glance. It's like having all your essential tools at your fingertips, making multitasking a breeze. Plus, with iCloud, all your content seamlessly syncs with your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. But that's not all. Vision Pro introduces an exciting new app store specifically designed for Vision OS. You'll discover groundbreaking apps that take full advantage of Vision Pro's capabilities, alongside iPad and iPhone apps that work perfectly with it. One of the most remarkable features of Vision Pro is its ability to transform your surroundings with breathtaking landscapes. With environments, your room expands beyond its physical limits, creating a truly immersive experience. It's the ideal setting to help you concentrate and get things done. And that's not even the best part. Vision Pro brings 3D objects to life. You can interact with these objects as if they were right in front of you. Imagine pulling out a 3D object from an app and examining it from every angle. It's like having a tangible object right at your fingertips. We also have good news for you Mac users out there. With Mac Virtual Display, you can place your Mac anywhere in your space and turn Vision Pro into a massive, portable 4K display. That's way better than the standard 13-inch screen many Mac users are operating off of today. Vision Pro is also compatible with Bluetooth accessories like the Magic Keyboard and Magic Trackpad. This is especially handy when you're dealing with tasks like working on complex spreadsheets or writing long emails. These accessories make your workflow smoother and more efficient. And if you need to take a break from work with a mindfulness session, you can create a serene and private moment of calm by immersing yourself in a fully expanded app. It's a fantastic way to unwind and find some peace in your busy day. Which function of the Apple Vision Pro are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments section down below. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to leave us a like and, of course, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this. Let's get back to the video. Maybe you're not an avid Apple user, and that's fair, but one thing is certain, and that's that you probably enjoy watching your favorite movies and TV shows. Who doesn't? The Apple Vision Pro will allow you to be able to watch your favorite movies, shows, and games on a screen that's just the right size for you. It's like being in the middle of all the action. Vision Pro also features spatial audio, which makes the audio experience feel even more immersive. You feel like you're right there with the characters, hearing every sound from all directions. And the visuals are absolutely stunning. With more pixels than a 4K TV for each eye, you'll be able to enjoy breathtaking content no matter where you are. Whether you're on a long flight or simply relaxing on your couch at home, Vision Pro will transport you to a whole new world of entertainment. Don't think we forgot about you gamers. They've come up with some really cool ways to enhance your gaming experience by utilizing the space around you. You'll find a wide selection of over 100 iPad games that you already love, and the best part is, you can even play them using Bluetooth game controllers. It's a whole new level of fun. Now, we can already hear the critics. Do you really need another device? Can't we just live in the moment? Well, Apple actually agrees with you. The Apple Vision Pro actually makes living in the moment easier. How? With its high-tech camera. Vision Pro by Apple has a groundbreaking 3D camera. It allows you to capture mesmerizing spatial photos and videos in 3D, and when you revisit those precious memories, you'll feel like you're truly reliving the moment once again. Even your existing collection of photos and videos will look absolutely stunning when viewed through this camera, showcasing remarkable details and vibrant colors on a larger scale. Moreover, Vision Pro lets you experience panoramas in a whole new way as they wrap around you, transporting you back to the exact location where you captured them. It's an incredible way to relive your favorite scenes, and it'll feel like you never even left. With Vision Pro, capturing spatial videos or photos is a breeze, thanks to its convenient top button. When you press it, you can quickly and easily capture those special moments in a whole new way. What's great is that while you're recording a spatial video or taking a spatial photo, Vision Pro clearly indicates to those around you that you're in the process of capturing something. You're also able to expand what you captured. You can zoom in and focus on specific elements, people, or details that you want to explore further. It's a wonderful way to immerse yourself in the scene and experience those cherished moments from a new perspective. So whether it's a video or a photo, you'll not want to miss out on using this camera. It's totally worth it. In the post-pandemic world, we've had to rely on video messaging to do a lot of the heavy lifting in our social lives. With the Apple Vision Pro, it gets a whole lot easier. Vision Pro revolutionizes collaboration and connectivity, making it effortless to work together no matter where you are. One remarkable feature is the life-size FaceTime video tiles, which creates an immersive experience. As more people join the call, the video tiles seamlessly expand in your virtual room, ensuring everyone feels included. Within the FaceTime app, you can take collaboration to the next level by using various apps to work on the same document simultaneously. Imagine collaborating with your colleagues in real time, making edits, brainstorming ideas, and seeing each other's changes unfold right before your eyes. It's a powerful way to enhance productivity and teamwork. During a FaceTime call, each participant is represented by a tile in your virtual space, and you have the freedom to adjust the scale of these tiles. This customization allows you to focus on specific individuals or have a broader view of everyone participating. Adding to the natural feel of the conversation, spatial audio positions each person's voice in the location of their respective tile, creating a more realistic and engaging interaction. With Vision Pro, your digital persona takes center stage. It captures your facial expressions and hand movements in real time, creating a dynamic and lifelike representation of yourself during FaceTime calls. Others can see you just as if you were physically present, enhancing the sense of connection and presence. Another exciting feature is SharePlay, which enables you to share apps with others and use them together directly within the FaceTime environment. Even while collaborating on an app, you can still see everyone in large video tiles, ensuring that the focus remains on both the shared activity and the participants. Apple Vision Pro is the culmination of years of expertise in designing top-notch mobile and wearable devices. It represents Apple's most ambitious creation to date. This remarkable device seamlessly combines advanced technology with an elegant and compact design, ensuring an exceptional experience every time you wear it. The design of Vision Pro is truly outstanding. It features a single piece of meticulously crafted laminated glass that takes on a three-dimensional form. This glass seamlessly merges with an aluminium alloy frame that curves around your face, creating a sleek and futuristic look. Additionally, the light seal component adjusts to the contours of your face, providing a precise fit while effectively blocking out any unwanted stray light. Comfort is a top priority with Vision Pro. The headband is designed to offer cushioning, breathability, and flexibility, ensuring a comfortable experience even during extended use. Furthermore, the fit dial allows you to fine-tune the fit of Vision Pro according to your head size and preferences, providing a personalized and secure fit. In terms of battery life, Vision Pro comes equipped with an external battery that can support up to 2 hours of continuous usage. For all-day use, simply plug it in and enjoy uninterrupted functionality throughout the day. Are you eagerly anticipating the arrival of the Apple Vision Pro? You're definitely not alone. Fans from all corners of the world are buzzing with excitement. However, there's a bit of disappointing news. The device is currently unavailable for purchase. But fear not, you won't have to wait too long. The Apple Vision Pro is scheduled to hit the market in early 2024, bringing its cutting-edge technology to the hands of eager customers. Now, let's talk about the price. The Apple Vision Pro is undoubtedly a high-end device, and its advanced features come with a price tag that reflects its capabilities. To make this extraordinary device yours, you can expect to invest $3,499. While it may be on the higher end of the price spectrum, it's important to remember that the Vision Pro is a result of years of innovation and represents Apple's most ambitious product yet. It's worth noting that the exact availability and pricing details may vary depending on your region and any promotional offers that Apple may introduce. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, I recommend keeping an eye on the official Apple website or contacting Apple directly. Mark your calendar for early 2024 and start saving if the Apple Vision Pro has captured your interest. With its revolutionary features and advanced technology, it's sure to be a game-changer in the world of immersive experiences. This is one product you won't want to miss.